Happy Tuesday morning, and this is Nathan. Enjoy. Yeah, we didn't film last night. I got really sleepy. But at the same time, if you are tired of the old pieces of crap that's telling you how to run your life in our government, please speak up, because realistically, we need to get rid of this shit.
That we do.
I'm not gonna lie. The one thing that's actually been very depressing to me is constantly hearing that the price of the house is gonna go up, even if you own it.
That doesn't make any sense.
At the same time, they keep on changing so many rules and so many things. I 100% believe Abraham Lincoln. We will destroy ourselves.
I'm pretty sure.
We aren't.
Well, you know what I mean.
They are. But today we are doing a taste test challenge, and this taste test challenge is going to have something to do with the sun. So this is the perfect time to be doing it early in the freaking morning. How are you feeling today?
Feeling okay.
I thought she was asleep. Anyway, let's kick it off.
That was Baby Monkey.
It was?
Yes, that was Baby Monkey.
You only made one noise, though.
Yep.
Is that normal?
Yep.
Okay.
That's normal. So, the flavors...
He's got toys in his bed.
Yes. So, the flavors are watermelon.
That didn't sound right. We gotta hurry up and do this video so that we can get to our...
Tangy Original. And raspberry lemonade.
We should have done this last night. We should have just next time just wake me up and be like, hey, we got videos tonight. There's no other option. Because he was asleep last night. He slept all the way through the night.
Yeah, he did wake up once. Alright.
I'm going to tell you right now, I'm sick and tired of old farts trying to tell the young people what to do.
I'll get used to it.
Get used to it.
Yeah.
Get used to it. I'm going to tell you right now, we've been living with this problem for years.
Yeah, I know that. Gosh darn it.
Heck, there were some presidents that couldn't even control their children. Clinton. Obama. No, wait. Maybe I'm wrong on that one. Not Clinton, Obama. Yeah, I can't poke a hole.
I can't even poke a freaking hole.
Is this one open? No.
No, this is a watermelon. Oh my gosh. What the actual French toast?
Already looking like a bad video because how the heck do you get these Sunny D things open? Sunny D, work on your shit.
What the heck?
There we go. Got it. Did I win?
Gosh darn it.
That's the one thing. Does anybody remember like stabbing your Capri Sun as a child and it going straight through? Which one was it that they put it in the top?
And a lot of them?
Huh?
Said it was a lot of them?
No, where they made that one where you just jabbed into the top of it. Was that Tang?
Yeah, I think so.
Where it like opened up like
it.
a little bag and then you stabbed through the bag?
I think so. I made a mess.
We aren't Rhett and Link here. Where'd the paper towels go?
I don't know.
Where'd the towels? Where did our paper towels go here?
It's fine.
So unsanitary. We got Clorox wipes right there too. That you could have just...
Yeah. You ready?
Let's hurry up and get this video done so you can shower.
First one.
Watermelon.
Okay. Second one.
What are the flavors all through again? Like each box, what are they?
They are the
Because I know one of them's watermelon, one of them's...
Raspberry lemonade, tangy, and then the one that you just said.
Okay, so raspberry and tangy? That's it?
And the watermelon, yeah.
Okay. That doesn't make sense. What is tangy? What kind of flavor is tangy?
You'll taste it in you'll probably taste it in a little bit. Second one.
I'm going to call that one tangy.
Alright.
Because it tastes like hot dog water.
Last and final one.
I'm going to go with raspberry lemonade.
Alright, remove your blindfold. You only got one right.
So the one I said...
You got that one right.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Now, are you watching? Okay.
Tangy Original is what it's called, woman.
You thought this one. You thought this one was watermelon and this one was this one.
I thought this was watermelon.
Yeah.
This is water... No. They don't taste like watermelon. That tastes like watermelon. No, this is for... Okay, whatever.
What?
You're going to do the same thing I did. And if you don't, I'm going to question your taste buds. And then I'm going to pray for you because your family did you wrong.
Alright, let's go.
First one. I need an answer.
Raspberry lemonade.
Second one. And I'm hoping you guys can see this because it's kind of shiny when I'm looking at it.
Original.
Okay. Last and final one.
That one's original.
Please remove your blindfold.
I did the same thing you did.
Pretty much. You said this one was...
Because it doesn't taste like watermelon.
Which one tastes like watermelon?
That one.
Am I wrong?
Because when I tasted... Okay, you're gonna...
So, when I tasted it, I swear, you remember the watermelon Arizona that I used to drink all the time when we were dating? 100%. That is a flavor of it. That didn't taste like watermelon.
When I drank this one, I tasted lemon.
Like, no shit.
So we each get a pie.
Legit, this is 100% tastes like lemon. Unless they took a... No, real watermelon doesn't have like a sugary taste to it.
No.
That artificial stuff, like the one for Sour Patch Kids is the artificial flavor, which, not gonna lie, it's not a bad flavor. It's not. But at the same time,
This is gonna be
Sunny D, fix your shit. Actually, I'll tell you right now, Sunny D is probably one of the healthier things to give your children than...
anything?
Yeah. Confused?
No.
Well, 99% of our orange juice that we consume every day that you could drink on a regular basis actually has more chemicals in it than Coca-Cola.
Oh,
actually, there's enough chemicals in it to be glorified bleach.
Alright, you ready?
And we consume it, and it's safe for you to consume. Same with freaking bread. Yeah, you want to know something? The same stuff that they make your bread out of.
Hey.
It doesn't matter what type of bread you're eating. It makes yoga mats.
Is that enough for you?
Yes.
Ready?
Yeah. Please like and subscribe, and good Lord, hi. some?
Yeah.